Hello, Johannes here. In this video, I will go through the changes in SQL Spreads 7.4. Here you can see a list of all the changes in this release, but I will highlight the two key changes that were made to the tree filters and to the column sorting. Previously, the tree filters would be applied to all the tables within an Excel document. With this new update, SQL Spreads will detect if a tree filter is in use for a table and then show or hide the tree filter depending on if it's in use or not. This will quite dramatically improve performance because it will only reload the affected tables and not as previously when it would reload all the tables in a sheet. When you work in the designer, the tree filters will always be shown in the left side panel. But if a filter is not in use for this specific sheet, they will be grayed out, so you can easily see which filters are in use and not. And with the column sorting, we have made an improvement, so it's much easier to move columns around, so you can easily scroll up and down columns. And also we added a menu, so if you right-click a column, you will get up a menu where you can move a column to the start or the end. This will make it much more easier to rearrange columns if you have a table with, say, a couple of hundred different columns. If you would like to give SQL Spreads 7.4 a try, you can head over to our website, sqlspreads.com, and download the free trial. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. Bye.